But his feet slipped and he fell down, and slowly he groaned in pain. And then he held the prize that would win his maiden's hand, but he thought of his mother dear, so kind, so sweet, so glad. But then he heard a voice not from his lips, but all apart. Get up, music, and her child. It was his mother's heart. The ballad